Due to different dressing methods, water content is different. There are dry and wet concentrates. After mechanical grinding to become dry concentrate, its water content is low. Water flotation to produce wet concentrate. Its water content is about 8%. The screw feeding device of fine powder ball press is driven by the electromagnetic speed regulating motor and rotated by the belt wheel and worm reducer to force the pressed material into the main feed port. Due to the constant moment characteristics of electromagnetic speed regulating motor, when the amount of the screw feeder is equal to the amount of material required by the host machine, the constant feeding pressure can be maintained to make the pellet quality stable. If the feeding amount is too large, the current of the feeding device is overloaded. If the feeding amount is too small, the ball will not be formed. Therefore, skilled operation skills are an important condition to ensure the normal work of fine powder ball press.